All right, what's good, y'all? It's your boy LSRI254, and we getting ready to go in one side of my favorite store, Harbor Freight. Let's get it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
All right, guys. So we here at Harbor Freight, our favorite store, picking up some supplies, replenishing our filters. These is like God's gift to Harbor Freight people. I was looking at the guns. I was trying to debate on if I was gonna pick up another purple gun, but honestly, I haven't had any issues spraying color or clear. My issues have come to spraying primer. And I know that they say that these work and it's fine or whatever, but I'm really curious as to how much better this one spray. As you can say, or as you can see, all these say good. Then this one says better. So this is actually in the wrong spot. That's not 119. This gun is 149 as well, just like this one. The actual box is right here. So working pressure, 28 PSI. From what I've seen, this is a good gun for primer. Has a 1.7 tip. It's nickel plated. The fact that the design is different gives me confidence that it's probably gonna spray a whole lot different. So there is an HTE model, however, this is it's a smaller tip. I want to say that's even smaller than what comes on the purple gun. Yeah, purple gun comes with the 1.4 tip. But yeah, this one here, I think is the one we're gonna pull the trigger on today. Be good to go. High volume, low pressure gun is ideal for primer and base coat. So it'll be a little step up. It's not like a break the bank gun. And there's something else that we can try. So we just gotta take one of these to get that there. 64823. Surprisingly, I guess this one has like a restock fee. But yeah, that's the issue that we was having. Like I said, I've never had an issue spraying clear or even cleaning it out, clear or color. I haven't had any issues, but that thicker primer, definitely need some Jesus. Being that I'm gonna get this one, I'm not gonna get another one of these. I think I got like 3 purple guns, but from here going forward, this one will be my dedicated primer gun. I'm trying to see what else it comes with. Ideal for primer base coat, superior atomization with excellent pattern control. Yeah, so that's the biggest thing. I want to see how different that atomization is. Hopefully it is. Hopefully it's good. I don't see, it says a working pressure of 28 PSI. I don't see the usage like I see on this one. But we'll just drop the pressure a little bit lower, bump the CFMs up a little bit more, and go from there. I don't see anything there. But yeah, we'll grab this. I won't have to buy a different adapter because it's the same adapter for the Harbor Freight gun there. It's actually named after that one, so Spectrum adapter we're good there. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie. When I came in here, I was thinking about buying this one, but this one said 1.8. But I mean, honestly, this probably still falls into the same category as this one does, just in the good. So different gun, different brand. Like I said, this tip I'm more familiar with because of the simple fact of that. So I think this would probably be a better option all the way around. I mean, it feels decent in the hand, not super duper heavy. You know what I'm saying, easy on the eyes, everything like that. So that's the one I think we're gonna run with. That's the one will be the champion. So what else do we need to get in here? Alright, so here we are over in the pressure gauges, airflow regulators. I did what I wanted to do is I wanted to try one of these. Why do all of these look all busted up and shit? So I wanted to try a little bit better quality airflow regulator. This one here, man, every time, bro, it breaks. Like it never fails. So this $5.99 one keeps failing me, getting stuck or whatever. So I'm gonna run this one here and see if I like it any better. If it works good, we'll come back, we'll get another one for our other setup. Yeah, the biggest advantage of this one, it has that swivel nut there over this one, which it just kind of twists on. With the knob and everything on this one, it can become quite bulky and kind of have an issue. This one right here is gonna have like a little bit of a drop down on there, so it should be good. Have clearance away from the gun. So that we'll use that on the new gun. Let's see what else. The last couple times I've been spraying with them, these here, they've been breaking on me. I don't know how to feel about that. It says attached directly to the air inlets of the spray gun. So this is saying that I should be, I guess, screwing this directly to the thing. I think it's always like this side here that breaks on me, and I don't know why. Maybe it don't have enough flex or whatever. These, I'm assuming it pretty much does the same thing as far as catching the water and stuff. So these I've had more luck with than these actual moisture filters there. I know they're cheaper, but I think this is worth the extra couple bucks to get one of these. So we're gonna add that to the basket as well. I think I got another one at home, but we're good either way. Thread sellotape. I'm pretty sure I got some at home. Let's see. So yeah, so today we're going home with a new gun, new regulator, new. I don't need this. I know I got one at home. But yeah, so today we're going home with a new gun, new filter, well, more filters, new regulator to try out, and that should suffice for what it is that we're trying to do. So let's get up out of here so we mess around and buy something else we don't need.